Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn how to capture an image from the webcam video in Python. So here I'm going to capture an image from the video. So like suppose I'm just opening the webcam. When I click on the anywhere, so it will capture the image. So how we are going to do that? We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code which I'm going to use it, right? So let's copy and paste this. Okay, so here we have to open the video, then we have to click on the click, we have to capture the image and then save it. Okay, let's have a look. So here we go with the code. Let's comment this one. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's comment this. Let's add another one. Okay, let's uncomment this. Right, let's save this. Let's run this. Enter. Now here you can see that I'm not doing anything. When I try to click on this camera, okay, and now capture the image. Okay, and let's close it and to quit. Okay, image captured, image captured. Two images I have taken. Let's have a look. The saved images. So here you can see that first image is this one where I show one, and the another one then I go with this one, right? So both images are captured from the webcam. So whenever, so like this kind of thing can be helpful where you can just like go with the like the passport size photographs in the there you can use it, or you want to upload your images into the wherever you want to upload the images, then you can use it over there, right? Let's dive into the code level how we have implemented. Okay, so import cv2, import time, and here's a function that captured image with camera index 0. Why it is 0 we have already talked about in the last one. Captures an image from the specified webcam on click. Okay, arguments camera index of the webcam, by default it's 0. Okay, initialize the video capture object. So here we have initialized the video capture with the help of video capture, and the camera index you have to pass, right? Check if the camera opens successfully or not. So if not, then it will print with the error that the error opening the camera. Okay, next one, that create a window to display the webcam feed. So basically we have to open the webcam and display the webcam feed. So name window webcam feed with window normal. Flag to track the click event. So I'm taking a flag to click event to be false. Next definition, that click event, and here we have mentioned the arguments. Okay, non-local clicked, set the click flag true only on left mouse button click event. Okay, left mouse button, right? So it is clicked and click to be true. Set the mouse click callback function, set mouse click webcam to be click event, and here we are setting the mouse click callback function, right? So capture the frame by frame. So here we have to capture and check if the frame is read correctly or not when I do the click. Okay, so error in capturing, otherwise display the webcam feed, show, and capture the image on click. So if clicked, then here we am going to create a timestamp something, because here you can see it's something like timestamp over there, right? Save the captured image with the name of the webcam underscore image with the timestamp dot jpg, and print that the image is captured and the clicked to be false, and reset the click flag. Okay, exit on q. If I'm going to press the q, then the window will be closed. Okay, after that release the capture object and destroy all the windows and call the function capture image. So this function capture image will call whatever we have mentioned over here, right? So this is that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, what we're trying to learn, that is extract the images from the video. So basically I have the video, I want to upload a video, I want to extract all the images that they have. So it's nice. I think any video I want to just add it, upload it, and I want to retrieve all the images of that one, all the frames. So we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.